Okay, so this Aussie 200 index finally broke. I've been waiting forever for it seems, and it's finally broken down. So can delete this, This is exactly kind of what we're looking at here. I mean, we missed our entry here. Well, I didn't miss it, but I missed sending out an alert, I guess. But so we have our entry zone here, which price was in and did reject, and then broke out. So now we know that the bears have taken over. It actually gapped a little bit and printed this huge bearish candle, which was way bigger than all these previous candles, which is very nice to see. Technically it's still bullish because it is above this moving average, but I don't think it will be for long. So we're going to look for a short position on this again, and it's probably going to be somewhere right here where all these 4-hour wicks are that held price above and then finally broke. Now we'll most likely come back up and retest this area. So something like this on the 4-hour. Again, price is above this 4-hour moving average as well and seems to be rejecting, so this might be a good time that it pulls back up. Obviously we're not going to buy it yet because we don't want to buy this. I want to sell it. I want it to switch directions. I do think it's at such a key level now that it is going to switch trends and go straight bullish, or sorry, straight bearish overall. So I want price to come back up to here. I'm going to set an alert. Let price come back up to here and then enter a short position. Keep my stops above this wick here and then target the monthly range, which would be about 7,000, and this bottom zone here, which all aligns perfect. So that is your trade for the Aussie 200 index. I know it's not super popular, but I actually do like it. I like all the indexes. They move pretty good when they move, as long as they don't go against me forever, which this one did for a bit. But yeah, no, this is the Aussie 200. I think that's a good trade. Wait for 73.61, which is not too far away. Let price come back up to here and then reject, and then this is your target, 7,000 for the month, right to this bottom zone. And then by then it'll be very bearish, and you look for more short positions into next month. So that's Aussie 200.